again, friends. This is Becky along the Jordan River, and I sighted another strange looking orange thing. Oh, what's it looking at? I'm surprised they let me get this close. And you can, there's the river behind me. You can hear the ducks. I just heard a coo too. The bridge is over there behind those trees. You can't see it, but hi, kitty. Are you okay, sweetie? I wish I had brought some food with me. Oh, there you go. I need to start bringing food with me. I don't see the cats out here that often though, but I have some in my car, but by the time I get back there, it'll be dark. So I can't come back. You're a cute little one. Maybe if I come back tomorrow, you'll be here. Oh, I'm sure you're usually around here. Oh, hi. Meow. Meow. You're not too scared of me. Berry plant. Okay. Oh, he's giving me a look here. Okay, bye-bye. Up there it goes. I don't think that was the same one I saw last year. This one's darker color and has white. It has more white. Bye-bye. Gonna go off into the trees. Bye bye, sweet kitty. You still see him? Yep, there you go. You can hear the birds around. Yep. You gonna go down there? Kind of an edge. There you go. Okay, bye bye. Hopefully I'll see you again soon.